If you have ever wondered how the Upside app works and what to expect before signing up, let's break it down step by step. Upside is a free cashback app designed to help you save money on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and restaurants without confusing points or hidden requirements. In this video, I'll explain exactly how Upside operates, how you actually get paid, and a few tips so you can make the most out of your experience. So, what exactly is Upside? Think of it as your extra savings buddy. The app partners with thousands of gas stations, local grocery stores, and restaurants across the country to offer you exclusive cashback deals. You simply open the app, browse offers in your area, and claim the one you want before making your purchase. For example, if you see an offer for 15 cents back per gallon at a participating gas station, just tap to claim it, fill up like usual, and pay using a linked credit or debit card. You can also find grocery and restaurant deals the same way. Just remember to claim an offer in the app before you shop or dine. Now you might be thinking, how do you actually get your cash back? After you claim an offer and make the purchase, most places simply require you to pay with the card you've added to the Upside app. Sometimes you'll need to snap a photo of your receipt, but many merchants now confirm your purchase automatically behind the scenes. The cashback shows up in your Upside account, and once your balance meets the minimum, which is usually $10, you can transfer it straight to your bank account, PayPal, or redeem as a gift card. No points, no gimmicks, just real money. Upside uses smart algorithms to present personalized offers based on your location and shopping habits, aiming to give you relevant deals while helping businesses attract new customers. The more you use the app, the better the offers may get. Upside never charges you a fee to earn cash back, and your credit score isn't affected. You just need to use your debit or credit card for purchases. Cash and EBT transactions aren't eligible. In short, the Upside app offers an easy, flexible way to earn real cash back on essentials, just by choosing participating businesses, claiming offers, and paying with your linked card. If you need extra savings on gas, groceries, or dining, it's a simple tool to put cash straight back into your pocket. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.